Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of using hashtags on Instagram posts. Let's get started with this full guide. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the plus icon to either take a new photo or video, or upload one from your gallery. Step 3. To add a filter, tap on Filter in the bottom left corner. Browse through the available filters and select the one that suits your post. Step 4. Tap Next to proceed to the next step. Step 5. Next to your profile picture, type hash followed by the relevant text or emoji related to your post. For example, if your post is about flowers, you can type #flower. Step 6. Tap Share to publish your post with the added hashtags. By using hashtags effectively, you can increase the visibility of your posts and connect with users who have similar interests. Start experimenting with hashtags and watch your engagement grow. Thank you for watching this guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy posting!